ఓకే, నువ్వు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి కూర్చోమ్మా. హలో, ఇలా రా, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చు. నీ క్లాసే 8th క్లాస్ లైవ్. ఆ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఇలా ఇచ్చే. సో ఫ్రమ్ టుడే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఐఎమ్ టీచింగ్ live class. Okay, so today onwards I am going to teach live class. Okay, live class 8. Okay, class 8 live class. So I am going to start directly exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Let me check my audio is coming or not. Hello, yeah, audio is coming. Exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Okay. So first, this is first live class for 8th. Because 9th class very few students are coming in the live class, so I started class 8. So exponents and powers is a very important topic for you, because this is the basic of algebra. Okay, basic concepts in algebra, they are there in this. So let us go directly. Exponential form, a to the power of m, a to the power of m. This is how you have to read this, a to the power of m. So in this, a is called base and m is called exponent or power. There are two names, exponent or power. Okay, so here in this chapter name, exponents and also powers, both are given, so both means the same. So exponents and exponent or power. So what does it mean? What is the meaning of this exponential form, a to the power of m? What is the meaning of this? A into a into a into so on m times. Whatever the power is there, those many times you have to put the base and multiply it. Let me give you an example. 2 cube is there, for example. 2 is the base, 3 is the power. So 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times you have to put. So 3 times came. So if you write the answer, 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 8 can be written as 2 cube. 8 you can write as a exponential form 2 cube. The value of 2 cube is equal to 8. You can lean to the that lean. Lean ante జారబడు నడు నేపడితే అయితే కుర్చీ తెచ్చుకో, నువ్వు ఒక్కడవే కదా, చైర్ తెచ్చుకొని కూర్చో. రైట్, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ the base meaning of the exponential form. Now what is m, what is a? M, in this class you are using only the integers, not the fractions. Okay, so now let us see few cases. That means if m is equal to 0, what happens? A special case. M is equal to 0, then what happened? The value is equal to 1. Okay, how? You don't ask me, you are going to learn later. So a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This is first one. So first one am is equal to 1, and after that a to the power of 0 is always 1. Not only a, any base to the power of 0 is equal to 1. There is exception here, except 0. So what is 0 to the power of 0? No. So you are going to learn in intermediate. Okay, this is a high level question. So that is why we are going to learn other than 0. A should not be 0. Okay, we are going to learn only those questions. So 0 to the power of 0 is a special case. I am not going to give anything, right? So you are going to learn later. So now here we have got a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. You can remember this like a formula. Okay. Now let us go use the find the value of, this is the question, find the value of 2 to the power of 4, second, 3 to the power of 2, third, 100 to the power of 3. Just like that. So what is the value of 2 to the power of 4? 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 4 times, which is equal to 16. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So what is the value of 3 square? 3 into 3. If you want to do your problems, do. These are all things you know, na? Take this. Okay, 100 cube. 100 cube is how much? 100 into 100 into 100. So total how many is this? Only 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Here 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Total 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can keep 10,000. And you don't need to keep 10,000. This is a value of first formula, right? So second formula. First formula is a to the power of m. Second formula is if a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is the second formula. If bases are equal, you can add the powers. Bases equal ఉన్నప్పుడు powers add చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. Bases are equal, powers will be added. So a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is the formula. So how to apply this? Let me take an example. 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of minus 4, otherwise 4. Okay. So then how to do this? I have clubbed these two base, first two are base 2, next two, these two are base. So base 3. That means in these two base is 2 same, in these two also base is same, 3. Now you can apply this formula here. So a means 2. So same base you write to same base and add the powers 2 plus 3. You write the same base here and add the powers 2 plus 4. So then what happens? 2 plus 3 is 5 into 6. So this is the answer. So when bases are equal, you can add the powers. Okay. So then let me go to another formula. What happened if powers are equal? That means powers are equal, a to the power of m into b to the power of m. If powers are equal, say 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3. Okay. So then what happened? You can multiply the bases. You can multiply the bases. That means a into b whole to the power of m. So here how much it will come? 2 into 3, 6 whole to the power of 3. Whatever the same power is there, you have to write there. It is equal to 6 to the power of 3. It is true not only for two terms, any number of terms. For example, 2 to the power of x into 2 to the power of 3x into 2 to the power of into 2 to the power of x plus 1. Powers can be anything. So here three numbers are there. So same base, you can add all the powers, x plus 3x plus x plus 1. This is first formula. Okay, first formula. So then 2x plus 3x, 4x, 4x plus x, 5x, and you cannot add 1. 1 is constant. All x terms can be added. 1 cannot be added with 5x. Okay. So now what happens in the second formula? That means x in x, x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3 and z to the power of 3. So in all the three things, power 3 is there, x into y into z whole to the power of 3, which is equal to x, y, z. You have to keep the brackets. Otherwise, this 3, if you are just simply writing x, y, z whole cube, then this 3 will be indicating only z, not for x, y. But here it is not like that. 3 is for all the three terms. That's why you should keep a bracket. For today, this is okay. Let me see tomorrow. Right? Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in my tomorrow's class.